So guys, in this section, we're going to talk about briefing and debriefing. So if you already know the difference between briefing and debriefing, feel free to write it down in the comment section. If not, listen carefully because so many people do mistake when they say brief or debrief. To start with, we're going to start with briefing. So, what is briefing? That's it. Briefing is the setting stage of any project. That's excellent. Okay, so in order to set the stage for any project or any program, you have to state the objectives. And here we go. So, starting with objectives, this is where all your attendees will understand the main reason behind you doing this project as a project manager or as a program manager. Second point is present info. So in order for you to launch any project, you have to present an appropriate info, piece of information, data, statistics, facts. So it's either you did your own analysis or you did your own research, then in this part you have to share it with your attendees. Third point we're going to talk about, which is questions. Do you know what is questioning in the briefing part mean? That's excellent. Whenever you are presenting anything, you need to make sure that the participants are understanding what's going on. So you just ask them. Any one of you has any question? So allowing participants or stakeholders or employees to ask all the questions that they need, this will make a question mark on how they did understand this project and what is missing in the piece of information that you presented. And the last point is to summarize. So you have to summarize everything you mentioned in the briefing part so that all the attendees will go outside the briefing session and they know exactly what they will be working on. So this is exactly the briefing part. Now, after the briefing part, do you know exactly what is debriefing? That's it, guys. Debriefing is the reflecting and learning part. And in this part, we're going to discuss how the employee or how the company itself or the department already can guarantee to launch another successful project because they are evaluating the challenges that they faced in the current project, also the strengths and the weaknesses that they faced in this project, and most of it all, which is the very important part for me, is actions. Yes, you guessed it right. Taking actions towards the upcoming projects is one of the main goals of the debriefing part, because then you will be able to understand more the experience, the challenges, the positive and the weaknesses that you have, and you will improve them in your upcoming projects. We're going to discuss more terminologies in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned, and if you have any specific terminology that you need to ask about, leave a comment.